Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep and most welcome all of you. And if you are watching to me, you can join to me and you can see your thought in the comment section. So in this video, we are going to talk in this country what is being nowadays, and you must make in this last. I think that you must watch before. And nowadays you are watching in this country people facing lot of problem. Taken petrol, diesel, and cylinder. So my question are going first in this Prime Minister, who is present time Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi ji, Modi Sahab. So I think that we are watching your making India and digital India, watching it being fail. ये फेल होता दिखाई दे रहा है. Why it is being? I think that lot of promise you have done in this country, I will do. I think that, my dear friends, only one war, world war. Our country are facing lot of problem and lot of problem taken at the start, who is first increasing cost of the at the goods, सामानों पर बढ़ती हुई कीमतें. आई थिंक डेट माई डियर फ्रेंड सबसे बड़ी समस्या है. एंड इफ इट विल बी प्रीसियस एंड कॉस्टली, if it will be increase one time, he would never decrease. How much that time will be live? जितना पहले रहेगा उतना कभी नहीं आएगा यदि कोई भी सामान बढ़ता है. I think that. So we are talking at the start. In this country, who is present Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi ji. I think that making India and digital India are watching it being and watch it goes to fail. And lot of question have, but I think that, my dear friends, and this country farmer, sugarcane, wheat, paddy wouldn't increase that goods waste, only increase who will be import or export in foreigner country goods. I think that why it is being, and you must watch in this country people, and you must try to remove unemployment, who is lot of us in this country. And my dear friends, bug will come at my comment section, they would say anything. But my dear friends, I am speaking in English. Lot of people and lot of bugs wouldn't understand what I am saying, and I think that it must not be. And remove unemployment, remove and this country problem who is facing nowadays. And lot of questions are coming in my mind, but I think that we must keep or not. If I would keep, wrong effect will go in society. Not put up question in this country, who is present Prime Minister or CM, PM. It is your right, it is given to you right. If you have knowledge, put up question, but who is right, not given, not abusing of them. I think that you are understanding of my talk, what I want to say and what I want to share it to you. And I think lot of us we wouldn't make. I'm thinking in aggressive lot of us But when we try to speak, we wouldn't tell. I think that my different, it is my weakness, and I will remove it one day. We are working at my fluency. And if you are watching to me, you can join to me and you can share your thoughts. In this country, people are facing problem or not. Modi Sahab, your मेक इन इंडिया एंड डिजिटल इंडिया फेल होता दिखाई दे रहा है। यहाँ का जो फार्मर तैयार करता है, आई मीन्स गन्ना, गेहूँ, धान, डेट प्राइस विल बी लिव 18 रुपये पर केजी, 20 रुपये पर केजी. Who is importing foreign country, that cost will be 100 above. Why? It is question who is native in our country. Why? That goods not increase price. Why? Who is ready in this country farmer? So there is topic of myself. If you are watching, you can see your thoughts in the comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Constitution of India.